What's up, everybody? Thought I would take you guys out on the job. Let's get right over there. This is what the three of us do for our professions. Signs, graphics. This is not the shop that me and my brother work at. This is the shop my cousin works at. So if you guys can see here, we are doing a lamination on this sticker. He's got it loaded in. This is a clear,
if it starts to wrinkle more, I'll cut it and flip it.
Protective shield that will go on it for those that don't know what laminate is.
Watch your fingers here. Just let it go.
Yeah.
You can pull that straight onto that table if you want.
Goes in.
It takes time to put it on the
Comes
cardboard
out.
tubes, and then to load the cardboard tubes on here, and then just for one little piece. I mean, if it was a small,
It's one of the other pieces here. This will be an additional piece that makes it complete. Line it up, trim it down. All right, we're headed out to the job. We just arrived here in Port Orange.
2024.
All right, so first thing we will do is give this window a good cleaning. It's got a cleaning solution already mixed up here. We'll be taking off her address stickers. There she is, all cleaned.
Yep, we'll just pull some down, and then we'll do about like 4-inch strips at a time. So actually,
Trimmed off, Kyle?
yeah, here.
Do a little slice, just clean it up.
Smooth, dude.
Yeah, it gets stuck. All right, so that's the first section. Work smarter, not harder.
Pull it tight. Put it away from the handle. Hit that corner there, or I'll get it here because it's easier to start.
Now, I don't know if any of your subscribers know anything about graphics, but you can see this little bit of, I don't know if it comes through on the camera, but a little bit of unevenness that goes away with time and some heat. The heat will cause it all to even out and just become a nice smooth glaze. It's a nice smooth finish. That nice smooth finish like we like.
Ladder, stool, ladder.
That's the finished product. Good. Job well done.
2 o'clock, boys. We started at 12:15. That's exactly what I was thinking.
Called it. All right, guys, so I thought I'd just take you out with the boys today on that job. Sean, Kyle, my brothers. So,
Good deal.
wrapped it up. You saw what it looked like. Appreciate you guys if you got to this point. We'll see you on the next one.
Okay. What's your purpose? What's your passion? Did it pay? What's your play? Is it play? Wanna play? How'd you play? I'm just playing.
Signed, sealed, and delivered. I'm just gonna talk to this camera as we're doing this job. This might turn into a video itself.
What's your purpose? What's your passion? Did it pay? What's your play? Is it play? Wanna play? How'd you play? I'm just playing. What's your purpose? What's your passion? Did it pay? What's your play?
That nice smooth finish like we like.
I'm just playing.
Heisman!